Italian man na naglakad sa place na ginatawag na I think Malto or Malta. Basta mo na. So, ang problema kaya mga tao sa Malto, though ang accent nila mag-speak English, though kalain. I mean mga Italian person, mag-speak silang accent nila kalain. So, medyo wise sila nagsindihan na eh. So, nagsugod na. An Italian man who went to Malta. One day, I went to Malta in a big hotel. In the morning, I go down to have a breakfast, and I ordered 2 pieces of toast. But she gave me only 1 piece, and I said, I want 2 pieces. And she said, go to the toilet. You know, and I said, I want a piece on my plate. And she said, you better not piece on the plate, you son of a bitch. I don't know. And she called me son of a bitch. Later, I go to eat in a bigger restaurant, and the waitress gave me a spoon and a knife, but no fork. And I said, I want a fork. And she said, everybody want a fork, you know. I said, I want a fork on the table. And she said, you better not fork on the table, you son of a bitch. And I went back to my home in the hotel. And there's no seats in the bed. Call the manager. I said, I want a seat. And he said, go to the toilet. You know, I said, I want a seat on the bed. And he said, you better not shit on the bed, you son of a bitch. And I checked out, and the man in the desk said, peace. And I said, peace on you too, you son of a bitch. I'm going back.
Yeah.